Welcome to On Point Contractors. This is George, and this is our Rockwall project. Customer wanted this driveway removed. It's a 70 by 21 by 6 inch deep driveway. It's a really nice driveway, but they're moving there. They just moved there. They want it removed. They want it sod there and sprinklers. They also wanted a 4-foot metal fence, and we did all that. And you can see there's the driveway. And in a second you'll see where we put the line. That's where the fence is going to go. That's the entrance where the fence and the gate's going to go. And there we marked off where we're going to remove the concrete, and we actually had to slice it up in slices like cheese and haul it out. So we cut it into squares and hauled it all out. As you can see, there's that blade. Did a great job. And took us all day. Took us a couple of days to do this job here. And as you can see, we filled it in with nice fill dirt for the sod. Really nice dirt. And here we are installing the fence. And there's the gate, the entrance. There's an extra bar for the dog won't get out. And we're welding some more. And here's the final walkthrough that we do. As you can see, we have to put bars there with the gaps because the dog would get out. There's a gas meter, and we're about to hit the spot where the driveway was. So you can see right there was the driveway. No more driveway. It's a nice grass now. We put sod and sprinklers there because we also do that. But as you can see, we put in this metal fence. It's welded in. Sometimes we weld them in. Sometimes there's a way to screw each panel in. Either way works pretty well, honestly. We put as you can see the gaps there, we did put a bar there so the dog wouldn't get out. And we're gonna probably come back and do some more landscaping later on. That whole area, plant some trees and shrubs and mulch or whatever. And you can see right there where the driveway ended was. Now it's sod. We sodded all of that. And now they have a nice sod for their dog and kids, and everything secured with that 4-foot fence. We did check with the city. Originally the customer did want a barn style, ranch style looking fence, but we just couldn't do that. The city of Rockwall wouldn't let us do that, so we got the permit for a 4-foot metal fence. And there you can see right there the sod. That's where all the driveway was. Now it's all new sod, and we installed sprinklers also. And I'm coming up over here to the gate entrance. It's finished. We still have a little bit of cleanup to do, doing some spots and things, as you can see there. So now they're secured. Put the bars there so the dog. Now this is the back. I guess the outside look of the fence. I wanted to give you guys a look at both views. As you can see there's the gaps. We fixed those in. The reason there's gaps because you have to make the top level, and you want the panels level. So in order to do that, you're going to have gaps, especially with hilly lawn like this. But it looks pretty good. It looks really, really good. Customer's really happy. We are glad to do this project. We finished this entire project in a total of probably a week and a half. The driveway part took about two days. The fence took about 2.5 days, and the sod took a day, and the sprinklers took a day. And here's some stills that we took of the project. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you need a fence, a metal fence, let us know. We also do wood fences. You can see on the other videos what we do. So we do fence, sod, and sprinklers. And hope to hear from you. Go to onpointdfw.com for more information. Have a blessed day.